This is a co-challenge for black. Black is not in a good position. Its ice space is very small, and if you play conventional moves, it's not going to work because white can simply push here, and there's just no way black can live. It will be something like this. And if you try these moves, number one is not putting enough pressure on white's shape. So white obviously has some weaknesses in its own shape, but number one doesn't really exploit that. And of course, if you play other moves, white can cut here and already make a living shape, and black will be dead. Of course, you can argue black can jump out this way, but even in real games, this is going to be terrible for black, even if it lives. So, not recommended. The correct first move is right here, putting some pressure on white's group. And if white cuts here, now we have a ko. So black captures first. Does white have a local ko threat? The answer is actually yes. White can play here. This won't work, because this way, black will be able to capture white this way, and make a living shape here. But number 4 here will actually work. If black captures, white can capture black this way, and black will end up with only one real eye. So number 4 is actually pretty sharp. Black must respond this way, and white will capture. What happens now is that black must find a co-threat elsewhere, captures back. Does white have another local co-threat? Arguably, yes, right? White can just connect here. And now black will push. White can capture again, and black finds another co-threat elsewhere. White can block. Black cuts. White can capture again, right? So white has a few local co-threats here, but of course 10 and 16 are kind of raising the stakes, right? Because now white will be losing more stones if white loses. So that's how the ko will play out. And of course, if you're risk averse as white, you don't have to play at number 10, right? You can find other co-threats on the board. So that's one ko. We have another one would be for white to simply play this. This way, there's no way black can kill a bunch of white stones. And black can play something on the inside. White will Atari, and now black captures. Does white have a local co-threat? Not really, because these won't work. Black can make an extra eye here and cut up number 4. Of course, white can play on the outside here first as well. This is kind of testing black, and black should probably play here. And once again, this is aiming to make another real eye at the corner. So white must connect here. Once again, we have this ko here in the corner. So if white connects here, black will be able to play at number 7 and make a bent 4 shape this way. But of course, there's a cutting point. When there's number 10 here, black must connect. And of course, number 7 is Atari. If white comes in this way, black can just capture number 2. So overall, once you find number 1, things should be relatively straightforward. Oftentimes, black has to make a ko because it's in a very disadvantageous position here on the board. But that's what makes ko so interesting, because it gives the disadvantaged side a fighting chance to stay alive. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.